Some audio materials aren't polished enough and they need to be processed to have more feelings, more vibe, and more effect. Like this lead sound here. Let's check. As you can hear, it's so thin and it needs more body. We could add body and space with modulation effects like chorus, phase or flange, or we could add a harmonic line to it with 1 octave lower that will help it sound fatter and bigger. But I like to go with chorus. The previous one wasn't feeling rich and musical, but when this lead sound is chorused, it feels like much better and much more musical. As you can hear, it is a little bit faded in the space of the song, in the sound field. That's what I like. That's what I was seeking when I wanted to add this lead sound. So in these settings, with more delay, you will have more distinct sound because the left and right or the phases delay would be longer. Chorus duplicates audio material. So the duplicate files would be more out of sync and it will make it sound more distinct, far away from each other. Depths will define the depths of this effect. So I keep it in 40%. It is good. It is good for me. And rate will make this effect obvious. So lower rate will make it as less as obvious it could be. Because chorus has naturally a movement effect to it, so it will keep it as low as possible. Spread defines the width of the effect, so I will not touch it, it's good. And wet. So in this stage we have dry and the wet knobs. I could control how much of dry signal I want or how much of wet signal I want. And the output, because I'm using dry and wet together, I will have louder output. So the stream helps me stay in unity gain. You could decrease delay to make the sound feel tighter and closer. This is a simple yet effective plugin that is free and it has premium quality. It's from Blue Cat. You may have heard of it. It is a great company producing great plugins, free and paid. So anywho, we have reached this video's end too, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.